Watch that scene. Dig into the panty. Panty haul. Sexy lingerie. Women's underwear. Cheap lingerie. Sheer panties. Transparent. See-through. Lace. Thongs. G-strings. Today's video is going to be another of sexy lingerie, see-through, G-string, thongs, all sexy lingerie haul. First, panty. That's it. Oh, white. I like it, guys. Look at that. Lace, may pabaw pa siya. Wow, this is beautiful. Sexy G-string. Diba, naalawit talaga ito, guys. So, no, definitely. Dito pang Madonna, ha? Diba na? Kim Kardashian, yes. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. It's really perfect. Hey, perfect to siya. All these panties are from Shopee. It's very cheap. It's under $1. Prices are way below $1. It's affordable. Charan! Ooh, ang ganda-ganda! Hindot ni siya in-necklace. Ang ganda niya, guys. Look at that. Diba? Pa-necklace na ang panty. Yung mga in hotel. Literal, oh. Hot stuff, baby, this evening. Yeah, girl. Watch that scene. Dig into the panty. Perfect, guys. Oh, perfect na perfect. Wait. Wait, let's make it into a very nice panty. Oh, head cup. Ala, ang ganda niya. What you think? Diba? Hot stuff, baby, this evening. Oh, para akong Reyna nito. Miss Universe pageant number 1. Ah, diba? Perfect, bongga. All these panties are only less than $1. So, it's very cheap, guys. Aloy, type na type ko to siya. No? Type nyo? Oh? Hala, type ko, guys. Mesh or see-through. Again, thong. G-string, of course. Flowery lace embroidery. Be careful with this one since the threading on this one is very, very like thin. Malangkat ni siya. I think this is just for like honeymoon, like one night stand panty. The material is just not that durable for me. This will not last long. Okay, parang nag-double yung mga order ko. Ano ba yun? Okay, guys, this is the panty, okay? Yan, again, see-through. May papolka dot siya, oh. Okay, yan, kita ang kaugmaon. Okay, let's do the detail and close up, okay? Alright, here on like the G-string, thong, stripper rin siya, okay? Polka dot, meshy type material, okay, that's it. Alright. And that's it, guys. Very short panty haul. And for more women's underwear, sexy panty haul, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.